Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about the Z-axis and how I plan to go ahead and use the screw rods. I'm not going to use belts because those are a little bit harder and can cause slippage, and yeah, it opens up a whole can of worms. So I'm going to be using these threaded screw rods right here. So they're just regular screw rods that you'd find off of eBay. That's where I got these, and then the things that would attach to the bed, the screws. So here are the pieces to mount them. They have a bearing here, so that way when you push the rod through, and either you put one of these on top to hold it there, or you put one of these to mount it to the stepper motor, then it can spin easily and there's no friction. Originally there was two bearings in this, and they were just stacked on top of each other, which just causes more friction. So I just put some more material in there and just put one bearing. So these are designed by F Projects. I'll go ahead and put his YouTube channel in the description. So the other thing is I thought that I was going to use just a circular belt like this, attach it to one of these small pulleys that would attach to a stepper motor, attach to the rod, and just have the belt go around and just do a continuous loop to raise the Z-axis. Well, they're not the greatest quality. So I thought, well, for $9 I just got some couplers. I don't know if you can see this, but they do have a little bit of play in them. Might be hard to see. They have a little bit of play in them, so I don't have to worry about them being exactly on. So I don't have to worry about messing up. But the problem is when I try to thrust the rod through one of these right here, it gets caught and it goes in pretty hard. So I'm going to go ahead and punch the bearings out, and I'll time lapse that. So go ahead and let's go. Oh wait, so they don't screw very well, so I'm gonna have to punch those out. Anyways, I wanted to talk a little bit about the motor I'll be using for it. So, you know NEMA 17 motors, right? So, let's see here, gotta get them. But they're stepper motors because they move in steps, and in case you didn't know that. But if I can get a good shot of this, you can see that this one is 1.7 amps, while this one is only 1.5 amps. So this one on the top has a little bit more power. I got two of those, so that's how I'm going to be able to power the Z-axis. They didn't cost any more or less at the time I bought these, but I bought them a while ago and I haven't gotten started on it in a while, but that's another story for another time. But they were no less or cheaper, so I went ahead and got those. So let's go ahead and time lapse me punching them out. I'll just use a regular screwdriver. Let's go. Hey guys, so somehow the video footage of me time lapsing, punching out the bearings and drilling them out got lost. So I'm not going to be able to time lapse that. I just took this screwdriver here and I might be able to get one here a little bit easy. Like that. Punched them out, drilled the hole through. So I won't be able to show you guys the time lapse of that. So let's just go ahead and get on to the next part. Alright, here comes the moment of truth. I'm gonna try just a couple because I don't really feel like pushing them out again, but just so you know, it cracked right here, so that's kind of a pain. Yeah, nothing you can do about it now. It should hold, so let's just see if it works, if it drilled it out enough. Go right here. Oh, would you look at that? Nice. Awesome sauce. So that one works. And let's see about this one. Get in there. Come on. There we go. Awesome. Now let's see if this one works. Oh, not sure. I think it got caught on something. Here, maybe? Oh, that's not right. Maybe. I don't know if that is actually the part's fault or not. It might actually be the bearing itself. Because when I look through it, I guess I do see a little bit on that side. So we'll just set it over the side, grind it out. Safe and sorry, right? Alright, next up. Let's try this one here. A little bit in there, but that shouldn't make a difference. Push it through. Man, that's crazy. Nope, that's not gonna work. So, it might be the bearings because I have two different kinds. If you can see, this one's blue. Don't know if it's focusing or not. And then this one's like a silver. These are a lot better, but I lost some of those, so gotta go with some skate bearings. Yeah, not good. But anyway, whatever. So let's try this out. There you are. Let's try the rod. Wow. Nice. Alright, so I think it might be the bearings, but I'm not gonna buy two bearings. So let's go ahead and time lapse this. Go. Alright, the next moment of truth. Let's see here. Put it in there. A little less fit. I don't know, enough with a little bit of super glue effects. But let's see. Oh my goodness. That's nice. Pretty good. I mean, I'm not expecting it to be perfect, but that's not bad. Alright, let's try this one here. This one I'm a little bit concerned about because it fits in nice and tight. And I'm wondering if the pressure of the metal pushing in on the balls is making an effect, but I don't know, it seems to be able to move smoothly enough. So let's see. Okay, it slides in nice. Yeah, that's pretty nice. I don't know, I think, yeah, that's not too bad. So let's go ahead and unloosen the set screws and see how this all comes together. Alright, I'm back. I got all the set screws loosened, so I'm going to go ahead and put them into the brackets. So, real quick, I just wanted to say I'm not going to be actually mounting them into the 3D printer. I'm just going to assemble it, and then hopefully in the next video, hopefully sometime this week, early part of this week, I'll be able to get that out. Let's take a quick trip over to the 3D printer. I have it just right here beside me. So let's go look. Hopefully it's not too hard of a ride for you guys. So if you guys can see here, I don't have these screwed in, so they can just come out. But these I do have screwed in. right here, so they're not going to go anywhere. So what I'll do is I'll mount the Z-axis rods right here, and then also right here. So that's what we'll be doing in the next video, these and the Z rods. And I don't know if I have a lot of time that day, I'll actually go ahead and put the floorboard in just to mount the stepper motors into, and just to cover up some of the wiring stuff that's going to be going under there. So anyways, let's get back to here. Sorry for a little bit of a rough ride, but let's go ahead and assemble them. I'm going to assemble it like this with the bearings on the outside. So when I put, sorry guys, I had to cut there because my camera ran out of storage room, so that's kind of sad. Definitely need to get a better SD card. But anyways, when I push the rod through here, these will slide down on. They're just going to be holding parts. So when I tighten the set screws, they'll just be able to turn on there freely more than they would here. So I'll do that, and then I'll also put another one right here with my coupler pushed up onto there and my stepper motor. So that's for the Z-axis. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. We'll see you soon for the mounting of stuff, and we'll see whatever else we get done in that video. So thanks for watching. As always, have a nice day.